I'm back again. Hello, YouTubers. Anyways, I'm here. Last countdown, I said between 45-50 minutes. We have 21 minutes left. Chicken is now boiling. So you can take like a spoon or something or anything. So look how good that looks. It's nice and boiling, nice and hot. The fire's just big. And then you can grab like a spoon or a knife or anything, and you can just kind of mix around just a little bit, to kind of get everything kind of moving and make sure everything cooks right. And it's not done yet. Still got 20 more minutes or 15 minutes, all depends on when I check it with the temperature gauge. Want to make sure your chicken's safe to eat. You don't want to make sure it's undercooked. Doesn't that make you hungry? I can't wait to eat it. It's gonna be so juicy and good. Alright, well, I'll check back in with you guys when it's all done. This was part 2. I'll come back with part 3.